Today on Flying Jack, I'm going to show you how to install this 15 feet of eBay RGB lighting into your Mustang. The thing you're going to do with that wiring harness is connect it to the battery terminal, so the negative cables, the black cables to the negative, and then the red cables to the positive. And then once you have them connected, you're going to take the two cables, the power switch cable, and then the cable that has the two connections on it, and run it through this firewall here. Now, that gasket was solid at one point, so what I had to do was take a large rod and jam it through there, and it poked right through the sound deadening material in the passenger footwell. And so once it got through there, then I pushed the cable through with my fingers, and then grabbed it on the other side and pulled it through. Now, then once I had it there, then I fed it across the dash, and I'll show you how to install the cable now. What I did here is I put double-sided tape on this control module, and then a little bit on the infrared sensor. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to mount the sensor there, and then put the control module up here so it's out of view, or on the side. I haven't really decided yet, but I'm going to put it up here. That's why the double-sided tape is on it. And then same with the little infrared scanner, and then the plug. Oh, this is for the strip. This plug that I ran through the firewall and all that stuff is just gonna plug into here, and so then the strip plugs into here, and I'll run the strip across the floorboards and around the whole vehicle. So let's get it done.